When I started my first business, no one would take you seriously unless you had business cards, letter-headed notepaper. You see, everything had to be written down. Letters had to be sent, requesting information, asking for prices, sending over quotes, doing offers. The fax machine was the machine of the day. Gosh, remember the fax machine? I mean, if you didn't have a fax machine, a lot of people, you can't be a serious business if you don't have a fax machine. And things would be faxed. What if you didn't have a fax machine? You'd have to send a letter. You'd wait for a week for someone to get back to you with that quote. But now, what do you need? One of these, a phone, an internet connection, and an email's always good, but not going for the Gmail, not at gmail.com. You'd be a bit more professional. You need to have your business name on the end at yourbusinessname.com or .co.uk or .co. So many options these days. And all these things can be done in an afternoon. Could be done in an hour if you put your mind to it. I guess the thing you really got to think about is the business name. That's never changed. Always trying to work out what is the best name for your business. Something that indicates what you do maybe is always good. Sometimes going for a bit of self-branding, popping your own name in there. But that was the big thing. That was the thing that made it yours, made it your baby. And that doesn't change. But my worry is that it's so quick to start a business these days. As I say, you could really set one up in an hour. It sort of loses a bit of responsibility. It's, I set one up in an hour, I can set another one up tomorrow in an hour. Do you take it as seriously? When you have to put in the hard work, when you have to wait for the mail to drop through the door with your business cards and your letterheads, and you open them with excitement to see what you've got, and you get all excited because you feel, wow, it's official now. I've got something tangible. I've got something real. Now the big business starts, you know. But hey, it's so easy to start. So we should. There's so many options. If you want to be a broker, you don't have to walk around all the businesses asking if you can sell their products. You don't have to walk around the manufacturers saying, can you print me this stuff? Can you manufacture this product? You need at least 5,000 for them to even consider it. Otherwise, your cup of tea is taken away in the boardroom and you'll show them the door. Now everything's done for you. You don't even have to meet anyone. You can just turn on the computer, do a bit of searching. You'll find your manufacturer. They'll make one at a time. There doesn't have to be a minimum order request. When you fill out your form, there's no one to meet. You click the buttons and you have the tools to create your products. You make a sale, you send it across to the manufacturer. They'll do all the busy work. They'll send it out. You just deal with the customer. But hey, it still needs to be professional. We don't want to lose that excitement about what the business is just because it was easier to make. So hey, I would say today, think about your business name. Get the domain name. That's the important part these days. With the domain name, you've got the name of the business. And you can also get emails from there with a professional look. Your business name on the end of it. So hey, start today. Start looking around. Think of the name. Claim your asset. All the best. Fought for the day.